Alright guys, it is Sunday. Let's go for a Sunday ride, shall we? Guys, remember when, I don't know if you guys, when you were kids, a lot of my subscribers are about the same age as me, right? 50, mid-50s, 60s. Well, I'm not up there yet, but you know what I'm saying. Whoops, sorry, almost ran them over. Mid-50s, like you guys, did you guys go for Sunday rides with your mom and dad when you were kids? I remember we did on Sundays. You know, my mom and dad, they were religious, and they still are religious people. My mother, who's 70-some years old, still living. But we used to, you know, of course, they're religious. We always went to church Sunday mornings, and you know, and then Sunday evenings, and you know, they were Baptists. But we used to always go out for a Sunday drive after Sunday morning church. We always had a good time. Oh, there you go. That's 10:30 in the morning. Now it's 11 o'clock. But yeah, so we're going to go for a Sunday ride. I don't know where we're going to go, how long it's going to run. This video, right down MacArthur, or right down Fields Avenue. I don't know. Maybe we'll go into Center City, take a ride around Center City. I know people always say it looks so dangerous when you ride. You know what? Cameras make it look worse than what it is. Trust me, you got a lot more room than what the camera's showing. But if you don't drive like the locals, then you basically become a hazard on the road for real. You got to drive like the locals to an extent. So when you don't, you yourself become a hazard, like I just said. Lay down, see now, as we go, here we go. Plus on a bike you can definitely move around. We're going to go down Narciso here. I want to check on another building. Somebody was telling me another building down here is closing. I always like to confirm it. There's that disco or dance club there on the right. Eureka. Still nothing. February 10th, they say they're renovating now. They're going to reopen. We'll see. We'll see. Down here on the left is your Candy Palace. Candy Realty is to your left and right. PJ Hotel. You know, somebody was telling me down here on the left when I get here, you know, people talk, but you don't know. I was told here on the left, Eurasia, Prime Asia Hotel. I don't know. Somebody was telling me that is being sold. I don't know. Every time I go by there, it seems to be pretty full, pretty packed. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Christmas. Yeah, we'll shoot down into Hensonville, and here's my dentist here on the left-hand side, right there, dental clinic across from right there, dental clinic. It's kind of across from the restaurant here on the right, ZVR. I think it's called ZVR Restaurant. A lot of people like to eat there. Good breakfast there. I haven't eaten there in a while, but a lot of people always say it's good. But that's my dentist back there. Highly recommend them. Another building going up here on the corner here as you go over the bridge. Right here on the right. find out what's going in there. Hensonville's one of them little, I mean, this is all still English City. This is just Hensonville. And there's another one of these little tiny cities area at one point didn't have much business, and over the years it just gradually grew. You know, 2013, 2012, when I first came in this area, you didn't have all this. You didn't have a 7-Eleven, you didn't have these Korean stores. A lot of these restaurants that are opening, that have opened up, KTV and all through here, they've just recently popped up within the last 10 years or so. 10 years or more. The only thing that was down here, I remember, that I used to go to, now, like that aircon place, Ward's on the left, they've been there forever. Right here, Ichabod, the right-hand side was like the only restaurant down here, and it was good. A lot of this has popped up over the years. Progress. That car wash on the left, that's all new. Restaurant here on the left, new. What do I mean new within the past 10 years. And on the right you have, what is that, Hensonville Plaza. Go up over the bridge here. Trike in front of me blowing out some delicious smelling exhaust. Thank you. Egg stand on the left. You guys see that, right? That exhaust. Oh, yeah. All right, let's get around him. See, motovlogs are nice because you guys get to see, and I get to cover a lot more area than if I'm walking. However, I have done vlogs like around this area, and vlogged and walked around this area. Now let's get past this Nissan, shall we? Pick a left side, pick a right side. Yeah. Come on, let me see. Do I got something here? Yeah, buddy. Hey, buddy. Made you shit in your pants there, didn't I? I should go that way. Instead of going up in Center City because... we'll go Center City. This is, like I said, this is going to be a long vlog. This isn't bad, this intersection. Now if I take a right here, that'll take me out to Friendship Highway. Out that way, that's not bad right there. You get there during the week, when schooling is and everything like that, intersection right there is a madhouse. Let me see, I'm going to turn left right here. Guys, you know what? Somebody asked me about the Starlink connection. You guys here, check out this. I ran this Starlink connection speed test, and check it out. Let me know what you think. I mean, it peaked up there. And what I'm doing is, throughout the day, I'm doing speed tests. Different times of the day, I have, different speed tests. However, the upload speeds, 15, 20, 25, 30 on a good time. The upload speeds are not that great. However, the download speeds are mind-blowing. Like I said, I check them throughout the day. I'm just, let me check. But people ask. So that's what I'm getting, 200. I've gotten up to 300 on download speeds. This intersection's usually mad crazy also during the week. But yeah, I think we're going to be just fine in the province. Next month, in the beginning of the month, 4th, 5th, Lut and I are going down to the province for about 10 days. A couple things we got to take care of and handle. I want to open up a bank account while I'm down there so I don't have to deal with that when we first get down there. There is no BPI on Sherriga Island, and I've been with BPI ever since the beginning. I've never had issues with them. To me, I think they're a great bank. They gave me an auto loan. Never had issues. I've heard people say they've had issues, I guess, but there's no BPI. I would have to go over to Surigao City, which is a boat ride away, to bank at the BPI there. Well, that ain't going to happen. That ain't going to happen. However, there is a BDO on Sherriga Island, so I'm going to switch over to BDO. I mean, I have friends that have BDO, and they have no problem with it. So yeah, I'll be switching. People say, well, how do you get a bank account? If you're on a tourist visa, I can't help you out because they change it. I know some people that have opened up a bank account on a tourist visa, never had a problem. Then I've talked to other people that have opened up or tried to open up a bank account on a tourist visa, and they've gotten denied. I'm on a 13A visa, a spousal visa, so I'll have no problem opening up a bank account. Well, I should have no problem. Can never say I will never have a problem. Sorry I can't help you out if you're on a tourist visa and open up a bank account. Matter of fact, when I opened up my bank account here in 2012, BPI, I was on a tourist visa. The only thing you needed to open up a bank was your iCard, ACR card, I call them the iCard. The one you get after 90 days. They said they change things here constantly. So, anyways, we are coming into the center city. It's Sunday. Traffic is nice little flow. It's nothing major. One of the things too is you can find like cheap air flights, Cebu Pacific, right? What they do is flying into Sherriga Island, right? I got the direct flight early morning out of Manila, 5 o'clock in the morning, right? Direct flight. All the other flights I looked at, they went through Cebu, no problem. However, the direct flight early in the morning was cheaper than the layover in Cebu. Granted, you got to be there at the airport by 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, no big deal. Now, leaving Sherriga Island, it's cheaper to fly through Cebu. So we'll be flying through Cebu. That'll be our layover stop. And then from there to Manila, but it was cheaper, all right? So we found round trips for Lut and I, each for about 100, I think it was like 100 and, I don't know, $150. Let's say 150 round trip each, which is a very good deal, right? However, the numbers they give you like that, that's like getting on the plane, all right? No check-in baggage. The only baggage you're checking in, I gotta swoop around here. Let me concentrate while I move. That, all right, so that 150 is you getting on that plane. Oh, hey, Grandma. That's 150 that's you getting on the plane with a backpack. Throwing that backpack on the stowaway luggage when you get on the plane. When you add in a carry or a baggage claim check-in, prices jump up. I couldn't believe the amount of money with taxes, fuel charges, all these different fees that they add in. And it jumped the price up another 7,000 plus pesos. Man, it was crazy when you start looking at all them other add-on fees. But still, I mean, 150 each, $300 round trip. We're not paying a hotel. We're staying where we're staying. Lutz family's there. We'll break everything down. We'll give you more information as time goes by. And see, those subscribers that watch my videos like clockwork, the super subscribers, you know, you guys know what's going on because you stay tuned. You stay tuned. You watch, you listen to what's going on. It's like a story, right? My life is like a story. Here's what's going on today. Here's where I'm going today. Here's what I'm doing. Here's what we got planned. My life is a story. You follow my story. My story of my life. The story of my life. How's that song go? You guys follow my story. Those that don't follow my story, you know, they check in every 3 months because something in the thumbnail, you know, boosts their attention. Oh, let me look. Oh, well, I didn't know that. When you been? It's because you haven't followed. It's like right now, I'm just killing time in Angeles City. That's all I'm doing, guys. Sorry if I'm boring you. What else is there to do? I know my way around Angeles City. Not the little, you gotta understand something. Over by Walking Street, that's like 1/16 of what Angeles City is. Angeles City is a big city. Over 500,000 people. At Walking Street area, that's, and I'm giving it a good 1/16 of what Angeles City is. Could Angeles City survive if it wasn't for that area? I think it could. I really do think it could. I think it's a big enough city. Do they generate a lot of money from that area? You're damn right they do. But could this city survive without it? I think it could. It's a big enough city. Oh, somebody said to me, somebody left a comment, subscriber. I know I'm just rambling and riding. Riding and rambling. That should be the name of the video. Riding and rambling. Somebody said, Philly, why do you always ask people in Angeles City if they're Kapapangan? Everybody that lives in Angeles City is Kapapangan. Why do you always ask them? Wrong. You're wrong. Are a lot of people Kapapangan? Sure. But there are a lot of people that have moved to Angeles City throughout the years to start a business, to start a job. Matter of fact, the gentleman that had the rice place right next to our store we had, our sorry store, He wasn't from this area. He came up here 20 years ago, built himself a business there, saved money throughout the years. Now he's moved out of there. He's back for where he's from, his province, and he made enough money to build a house, and he's living there now. So not everybody from Angeles City is Kapapangan. You got a lot of people. There's a lot of call centers up in this area. There's a lot of places on Clark to work. A lot. And a lot of people will travel from all over to work these places. So yeah, because I'm going to take you down. Oh, come on. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. All right. Check out the hearts. Valentine's Day. You guys see the hearts? Make it nice. It's all lit up. They do a nice job through here. This is the Bucket Bridge. They always do. They always put nice decorations up here. I'm going to shoot down here to the right. Because I got to go to Landers. Like I said, I have no clue how long this video is. It'll give me a chance to upload it. It's one thing, uploading videos on the Starlink. I can tell you this much right now. My Converge that I have, the upload speed on that Converge upload is incredibly, amazingly good. Starlink, now, it's a little bit slower, but it gets the job done. It'll get the job done. I'm going to make a left right here. This is all new, this road here. Gotta watch it here. People coming around, people turning, people going straight. There we go. This is all new. This bypass is like going through downtown or going down around up on the MacArthur there. This bypass is all that. Everything to the left. That right there is a college system plus college foundation on the left. That's brand new. This is the road behind us. This is the road where the Abacan Bridge people were. But this road pushed them out. Ah, yeah. It does. It dumps you. This road will dump us up by Marky Mall. It's a nice road. And even the other side is a road also. Those people on the left there, they just managed to avoid getting kicked off. They were back far enough, I guess, to where it avoided them being pushed, you know, off the road and homeless. Yeah, there is no speed limit. Alright, I gotta take this guy. There we go. One of these days I'll ride this road all the way out to find out where it goes to. 'Cause I am not sure. That big building directly in front of us, that's being under construction, that is going to be a public hospital. That's what we've been told, a public hospital. Little wind whirl there. See that? Going through a little wind whirl. Oof. And that road that's directly in front of you, that bridge, that will take you into Center City, Angeles City. I've gone that way many times. Matter of fact, Tuesday, I'll be going up there. See, now I don't know where this road goes here. One of these days, I'm going to have to jump on it and find out. Make your left right here, and it just dumps you up. We'll go into the circle up by Marky Mall. During the week, this is crazy. Traffic is crazy through here. This is nice. This is really nice right now. Yeah, this madhouse right here. What time is it? 11:30? 11:30 Monday through Friday. Watch yourself, my friend. Watch out, buddy. Give you a little horn. Ah, you're all right. Even the circle's a madhouse around this time, Monday through Friday. Beautiful, beautiful sailing through here. Sailing takes me away. Right? Marky Mall, to your right. I'll end this when I go into Landers parking lot. Marky Mall, there's a bump right here. Ooh. Always slow down. That'll rock your kidneys, even with brand new shocks. This is the shops in Infinity in front of us. That's all brand new through there. Restaurants and beauty salons, and we've eaten in there. Matter of fact, they got a good Vietnamese joint in there. Really good. And other eating places in there. City Hall, right directly in front of you. City Hall. Come on. It's not that hard in the circle. Not much traffic today. And Landers is up here on the right. Putting in speed bumps right here. New speed bumps. Yeah. All right, 11:30. Landers is going to start filling up. You know, the speed bump. Sunday. All right, let's shoot into Landers, guys. I'll show you where you got to park here, right? All right, you didn't give me no ticket today. Oh, you can. I'll show you. So I want you to look at this whole area here. You know, there's no vehicles. It's early. There's your entrance for Landers. Like, oh wow, this is nice. Let me find a parking spot for motorcycles. Well, it's not that easy, and I've gotten yelled at. Come up here like right when they open at 10 o'clock. There's like nobody in the parking lot. Oh, let me park here. Nope. They will literally come out and yell at you and tell you you've got to park in the motorcycle parking lot, which is right here. Yeah, well, what are you doing? You're going inside anyways to walk. So, all right, guys. Well, that's it. I'm wrapping this one up. Hope you stayed with me the whole time. Like I said, I'm just killing time, guys. And those that are following me, I do greatly appreciate it. Follow me through everything. So stay tuned. It will get better. Things will get better. All right. We'll talk to you later.